maintain good engine performance, it is important to maintain proper boost condition combined with other elements. Here, I will explain the daily maintenance of turbocharger that is the most important in the air system. First, I will explain the cleaning procedure for turbocharger blower that is to be done once a week. For the washing of the turbocharger blower, use the hand pump, washing liquid, and fresh water that you are watching in the video. Open first the drain cock of the boost air chamber. Connect the cleaning hose to the filtering port and pour cleaning liquid of about 0.25 liters in about 20 to 40 seconds. In the same procedure, pour the same quantity of fresh water. After repeating these procedures 3 or 4 times, close the drain cock and close the cover of the filling port. After finishing the washing of the blower, be sure to conduct a load operation for 10 to 15 minutes in order to dry the blower. Next, I will explain the washing procedure for the turbocharger turbine that is to be done once every 200 to 250 hours. The washing is done proactively in order to prevent the excessive dirt that causes the performance decrement, and the effect can be seen by conducting regularly. The turbine washing is conducted by using the washing device and the specified solid washing agent that you are watching in the video. The limit value of boost air pressure and temperature at the turbine inlet while the washing is done will be exactly as you are watching in the video, so conduct the washing by adjusting the load. Open the valves of 2 points in the order of solid injection tip valve firstly and service air inlet valve next. Flow air for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and cool the device. After cooling, close the valves in the order of service air inlet valve firstly and solid injection valve next. Put the specified quantity of washing agent in the tank of the device and securely tighten the cap. Now, open the valves of 3 points in the order of service air inlet firstly, solid injection valve secondly, and engine inlet valve thirdly. In doing so, the washing agent will be poured into the turbine in a matter of a few seconds. After washing, close the valves of the 3 points in the order of engine inlet valve firstly, solid injection tip valve secondly, and service air inlet valve thirdly, and the work will then be completed. Check the exhaust temperature, pressure, and so on. If the values do not show improvement, conduct another round of washing with limits of only once.